In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online with CPA affiliate marketing. Okay, as you can see right on the screen, this is a website that is going to give you a list of the hottest 25 niches out there. As you can see here, if I scroll down, you can see this is a list of 25 niches that you can promote CPA offers or affiliate offers, and then you make money. Okay, and don't worry, I am going to show you everything you need to do step by step. And the name of this website is findaforum.net. okay, if you come to this website, it's going to give you access to this page. So basically, I may leave a link directly to this page in the description, but if not, basically what you want to do is come to findaforum.net/home/niches. Once you type that out in your browser, you are going to be brought to this page. And now I'm going to show you how to make money with these niches. You can make money with Content Locker, you can use cpagrip, you can use CPA Lead if you want to, or you can even use ClickBank if you have an account with them. And now I'm going to show you how to make a simple landing page like this that will convert like crazy. Alright, as you can see, it says how to start losing weight today. And in the description, in this guide, you will learn how to lose weight fast and attract opposite X. So once they click on this download, the Content Locker is going to pop up. So let me show you the Content Locker right here. So this is the Content Locker right here. So I am going to show you how to do everything in this video step by step. So keep watching. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, of course, is to create a locker. You want to click on this create new URL locker, and then you want to click on agree to terms of service. So once you click on that, then you continue. So you want to give your locker a name. As you can see here, mine says how to start losing weight today, and you want to make sure you click on this place that says auto show offers. Okay, once they click on this link which says download, they are going to be taken to this landing page with this offer. So the next thing you want to do, of course, you want to also type out how to start losing weight today in here. So the next thing you want to do is you want to upload a Plr product that you want to share with your visitors. Okay, and there are several websites where you can get Plr products. So you can come to Plr Minds. Okay, for those who don't know what Plr product is, it's actually a product that is given to you freely by a website which you can modify. You can edit this product and make money off it 100% free. And this Plr product could be an ebook, graphics, software, videos, it could be a website template or blogs. All right, so there are several Plr websites that you can use. You can use plrminds.com, or you can come to freeplrdownloads.com. You can even use idplr.com. So basically what you want to do, as you can see here, so we are going to be using the weight loss niche. So all you basically need to do is you want to type out weight loss in any of this search bar. All right, so we'll be taking this freeplrdownload.com as an example. So you can basically repeat this process for any of these Plr websites or any of these niches that you decide to go with. So basically you want to type in weight loss in here. So once you type that out, a bunch of Plr products will pop up. So let's use this one as an example. So if I click on this one, which is what I use to make this landing page. So basically what you want to do here is you want to download this Plr product. All you basically need to do is click on this download button here, and it's going to download right away. So once you do that, basically you want to upload this Plr product in any file sharing website. Then you want to go back to your cpagrip locker, and then you want to grab the link of the website, and then you want to paste it in here. So I'm just going to be using cpagrip.com as an example. Of course, you want to make sure you upload the actual product, and then you want to link it so that once they complete the offer, they will be redirected to download the product. So once they complete your offer, they will be redirected to the actual website where they can download the product. Okay, so the next thing you want to do in your content locker is you want to edit this comment. As you can see, this comment look generic. So let's say you want to edit this one, for example. All you need to do is come to the HTML tab, and then you want to, if you're on your PC, you want to click on Ctrl F, and once you click on that, all you need to do is type out what you see here, which is cross shots. So once you type that out, it's going to show you where it is right here, and then you can basically make the edit you want. So let's say you want to change it to Michael. Okay, so and if we refresh the page here, as you can see, we have Michael. Now the same thing, you want to change the comment as well. So let's say we want the comment to say, "Thanks mate, I really love the ebook." Okay, so once you do that, the same thing, you want to refresh the page. As you can see here, it says, "Thanks mate, I really love the ebook." Okay, so once you are done and you've edited this comment, okay, the next thing you want to do is to save this. So once you save it, you want to click on get links, and then you want to copy your link. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go to breezy.cloud or any other landing page builder that you use. So you want to create an account with them if you don't have one already. So basically all you need to do is go to breezy.cloud, and then you want to click on start for free if you don't have an account. So if you click on that, you will be taken to a page where you can input your email address and your password, and then you sign up. It's that simple. Okay, so once you're right here, you want to click on this plus icon, and then you want to click on create. So once you do that, you want to click on this edit project, and then you want to click on start building your page. So you want to scroll down to the very bottom where you find these templates, and then you click on this template. So you want to double click on this image, and then you want to click on this image icon. You want to scroll down a bit, and you want to delete this and click on that, and then you want to locate where the Plr product you downloaded is, and you want to click on this product image. So once it uploads, you want to click on it again. You want to make sure it aligns properly, and then you want to just reduce the size a bit so it's not too big. We don't need this, so we're just going to delete this. So the next thing you want to do is you want to change this headline right here, and then you want to change it to how to start losing weight today. Okay, so once you've done that, you can just adjust this just to about like this. So once you've written that, the next thing is this description. You don't really need to do this, but if you can add some description about the Plr product. So, and you can type out a little description, okay, as you can see right here, which I've done. So in your case, you want to type out just a little description of the product, and then here you can change it to download. Okay, so once you're done, you just want to click on this. So you want to redirect this to your content locker. Okay, so once you're done with that, you click out of it. So the next thing you want to do is you want to publish this page. So you click on publish. So once you're done with that, you want to go to this. You want to go back to dashboard. So once you go back to dashboard, you want to click on this. Okay, so once you click on this, you will be able to give it a name. So let's say lose fat now. As you can see, it's available. So if I click on this button right here, it's going to take me to another tab where we have lose fat now.breezy.site. Okay, so as you can see right here, so this is how you make a simple landing page that you are going to redirect your traffic to, because you don't want to send them to your CPA content locker directly, because that is not going to work, and most platforms will block your content locker link right away. So once you have done that, the next thing you want to do, since you've created your landing page, now you want to click on this weight loss, and once you click on that, you are going to see a list of forums that you can join. And I am not saying you should go to this forum to spam your link, because nobody is going to click on the link if you promote it that way. what you want to do instead is you want to join and you want to give value in the forum. So once you've given enough value in the forum, then you can promote your link by saying you found a free ebook that helped you to lose weight. So once you make it look like that, so people don't feel you are just trying to spam your link. So you want to give them value first before you share your link. So literally that is how you do it in all this forum right here. And to even maximize your earnings, you can create content locker for each of these niches, and then you can promote your CPA offers right there. So definitely if you promote content locker in other niches on this list as well, then you can even maximize your earnings. So that will be all for this video, and if you find any value, of course, please pump that like button, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace and love.